guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan video. Today is Saturday and I went ahead and did Instacart delivery today from HyVee just because I have a lot of things to get done around the house this weekend, and I knew that if I went to the grocery store I would get sucked into the black hole that is Walmart and waste a bunch of time and probably money. And so I went ahead and did this. I did spend around $140 plus the tip. I feel like I didn't get very much, but I did get quite a bit of soda that wasn't on sale, so that drove up the cost. If you guys have never tried Instacart before, I've used them quite a few times, and they basically, you have to check in your area what grocery stores deliver to you. But in my area, I can get groceries from Aldi and HyVee. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to try it out. I think there's like a $10 off coupon code. So if you use that code, you get $10, I get $10. I'm not sponsored by them for this video or anything, but anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got, and then I'll show you the meal plan for this week. So first off, I got some spinach. This is for a recipe. I actually requested baby spinach, but they were out. So I went ahead and okayed the substitution for the regular spinach. I also got some green leaf lettuce, so I'll be chopping this up and using it in salads and for sandwiches this week. This was the only item that I had an issue with. They actually gave me parsley instead of cilantro, but thankfully I do have a little bit of cilantro left in the fridge, so I think I can make it work, and then I'll end up using the parsley for something else. If you do end up getting the wrong item, it's really easy to get a refund on the app. You just go in and pick which item that you received in error, and they will refund your account, so that's nice. I got some blackberries and some raspberries and some strawberries. Strawberries were not on sale, but I went ahead and got them because my kids love them, and I can't wait until strawberries start becoming cheaper. But these blackberries and raspberries were on sale, so I got those for fruit this week. I still have a ton of apples left over from last week, so we can use those for fruit as well. I got some basil. This is going to be for some spring rolls that I'm making, so I'm excited for that recipe. I went ahead and grabbed some bananas. I'm always like, never know how many bananas to order, but that's okay. I don't know that we'll eat all these this week, but bananas freeze really well, and then you can use them in like banana bread or smoothies, so that's what we'll probably end up doing with those. I did get 6 limes. These were on sale, and there is a recipe that I needed them for. Plus, I just like to keep some in the refrigerator for drinks and recipes. I also got 2 tomatoes for sandwiches and salads this week, and then 2 kiwis. Kira really likes these as a fruit option. I also got some hoisin sauce. This is for the peanut dipping sauce for the spring rolls. So I did not have any of this in the refrigerator, so I went ahead and got a jar of that. I did get 1 English cucumber this week. I still have 1 regular cucumber left over from last week, but we use them quite a bit in salads, and then Connor likes to have cucumber cut up with ranch dressing, so I went ahead and grabbed another one because I will need that for the spring rolls. I got 1 avocado. This one's a little bit hard, so it'll be a little bit before that gets ripe. I am also going to make some cheese enchiladas, and this is what I ended up getting, the ground ancho chili. The recipe that I'm using calls for either this or the regular dried chili ground up, and I just figured it was easier to do it this way, so that's what I went ahead and got for that. So that's it for produce. I did also get some white corn tortillas. These will be for the cheese enchiladas. I won't use them all, but they do freeze really well, so I'll probably only use about, I don't know, maybe 10 to 12 for the recipe, and then I can freeze the rest. For the spring rolls, I got some rice noodles. These are the angel hair rice noodles. I won't need all of these for that recipe, so I'll probably have the rest of them just in the pantry, but there are some different recipes on here to try for the other part of them. I also got some beef bologna. Connor really likes bologna sandwiches for lunch with ketchup and mustard, so I got that for him. Kira asked me for some more Cracker Barrel cheese sticks, so I got a package of those. And then I forgot to get my Triscuits last week, so I went ahead and got a box of those. I like to eat these with cottage cheese. For sodas, I got 24-pack of Diet Mountain Dew, and then I got Diet Orange Soda, Diet Cherry 7-Up, and Diet Pepsi with Wild Cherry. And then since it's getting warmer out, we actually put a basketball hoop up and the kids have been outside playing. I like to have like water and flavored water and Gatorade and stuff out there in the fridge for them. So I got 1 6-pack of the black cherry Propel. This was a substitution. I can't remember what flavor I picked out, but I didn't really care what flavor I got. I just wanted Propel. And then I got an 8-pack of the orange Gatorade Zero. I got a 4-pack of sugar-free Red Bull for Adam. And then for the kids, I got some Capri Sun, Roaring Waters, and grape, and some orange HyVee. I did not realize that I was getting this large of a container of baking soda, but that's okay. I wanted a small one for baking, but you know, sometimes when you order online, it's hard to tell what size you're getting. So anyway, I guess I'll be good on baking soda for a while. Another thing that I forgot actually was I got the garden vegetable cream cheese and then totally forgot to order the bagels. So I don't know if I'll save this for next week, or actually I have a recipe for homemade everything bagels. Maybe I'll try making those if I feel ambitious this weekend. I don't know. I got some more paper plates. I ordered 2 of the Glade candles and I guess they were out of 1 cent, and so she just refunded that, and then I got this one with in the blue Odyssey. If I get to Walmart this week, which I likely won't, I'll probably have to wait till next weekend. I need to pick up some more candles because I'm out of all my Bath & Body Works candles. And then I got some fire roasted red peppers. These are for a recipe. I think it's a dressing recipe. I'm going to make some Buddha bowls, so looking forward to trying that. And then I get these every once in a while. These are just the peach slices and syrup. Adam actually likes to eat these with cottage cheese. I personally don't like sweet things with my cottage cheese, but he does, so I grabbed those for him. And then also for a recipe, I needed some allspice, and I checked in my pantry and I didn't have any, so I just got a tiny little one of those. We were out of sandwich bags, so I grabbed a box of these. For bread this week, I got 1 package of hot dog buns. I think one thing I'm going to start doing is just having at least one night a week where I plan a super easy dinner. So whether that's like macaroni and cheese and hot dogs like I did this week, or soup and sandwiches or something like that, just because it's sort of unrealistic. Sometimes I feel like I have unrealistic expectations of myself cooking dinner every night. But anyway, I got that for that night. And then for bread, I got 1 loaf of the Sara Lee honey wheat, and then 1 loaf of the 100% whole wheat. This is the kind that Adam likes, and this is the kind that the kids like. So that is all I got for groceries this week. We have plenty of food in the house, so let me show you the meal plan. All right, so tonight is Saturday, and we are going to have some Italian sausage with ravioli and a salad, and then I'm also using this Knorr Parma Rosa sauce to put on the ravioli. We've never tried this before, but we've had the Alfredo sauce in this brand, and it's really good, so looking forward to trying that. Tomorrow night we're going to do steaks on the grill with twice baked potatoes and broccoli. On Monday I'm making a recipe for pork stroganoff meatballs with peas and potatoes and some cheddar biscuits. On Tuesday I'm doing a recipe for brown butter chicken. It's also got some sage in it, and we're going to have broccoli on the side and roasted potatoes. Wednesday is our hot dogs and mac and cheese night. Thursday I am going to make cheese manicotti. I do have a recipe on that. I can't remember where it's from, but I'll try and leave a link to it down below. That's really good. And then I think I'll just make some Italian meatballs in the air fryer, and we'll have a salad. And then either Friday we'll either go out or have pizza. Hello, Murphy. He's like, what am I having for dinner? I don't know. Dog food, maybe? And then Saturday I don't have planned that far out yet. So in case you are new and you are not sure where my meal planner is from, it is a Carrie L meal planner, and I always have her site linked down below in my description box. This is my 3rd one. I really love them. I don't get a kickback or anything. I just really like them a lot. They do have the tear off grocery list that you can take to the store with you if you're going to the store. I do get a lot of comments that the particular one that I have is not always in stock, and yes, I'm aware of that. She, if you follow her on Instagram, she kind of has like times when she releases new planners, and some of them go in and out of stock. But if you can't find a physical meal planner on her site, she also does printable meal planners if that's something that you're interested in. So that's an option too. It does come with this little folder in the back, and then other note-taking pages, and It does have a section for gatherings, which is really nice, so you can plan out family dinners. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I love it, and it is one of my favorites. So that is going to wrap it up for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Kind of a shorter one, but I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.